We are Autoquip, the lift leader. What types of lifts does Autoquip build? Whatever you need to fit the job. We have over 10,000 design variations to build the right solution for you. We manufacture the largest line of material handling equipment to transport your product anywhere you need, from high-capacity, high-travel scissor lifts to move heavy equipment, to customized mechanical lifts that deliver high accuracy and repeatability. All our lift equipment is built in-house, giving you the highest quality and most durable lift to last for years to come. We offer a complete line of long-lasting dock lift equipment that holds up to the most rigorous loading and offloading applications. Our work platform lifts provide the perfect solution to position workers closer to large equipment. And if you need to go vertical, we build several styles of vertical reciprocating conveyors that can travel up to 10 stories, carrying loads of over 200,000 pounds at varying speeds. Autoquip delivers legendary quality, innovation, reliability, and support. Everything you would come to expect of the lift leader. Visit Autoquip.com to learn more about the types of lifts we build.